We opened North Bar 23 and a half years ago now, which is kind of the first craft beer bar in Britain, possibly. 5 years ago we started a brewery. Our energy needs have risen quite dramatically over the past 5 years. When we first started, we were relatively tiny. With the redevelopment of Springwell, our business has become a mid-sized brewery now.
Environmental considerations are definitely becoming more and more important here at North Brewing Co. There are quite a lot of steps that we're taking, but we are aware as an industry that we do need to do better. It's also the right thing to do, and it will help us to appeal to like-minded customers and the sorts of people who have shared interests with us.
We first considered Planet U when we were developing Springwell, and I guess primarily it's because they're a Leeds, Yorkshire-based business.
In the brewery sector, it's a very labour and manufacturing intensive operation, but it's one that we really understand. We've got consultants at Planet U who really get the sector. It's all about looking at the full solution and helping proactive companies like North Brewing make a difference.
They came in, did an audit of our business and really understood what we need and how we need to go further.
We came down to site and did a full day audit, and then from that we actually sent a report to John about a week later. A week after that, John gave us a go-ahead, which actually started the ball rolling with all the DNO applications, having the meter changes. 3 weeks later, when the DNO gave us the approval, we then started on site, which took around 5 weeks.
We were presented with several options for our business across our wider estate as well. They were clearly presented. It was an easy process then for us to decide what we needed to do going forward.
North Brewing are really pushing their sustainability side of things, so they did have a couple of products installed by us. There was electric car charging points, which takes one team. It took about a day to do that particular install. The solar install was dealt with by a team of 6. There was a project manager who looked after the install from start to finish. He liaised with John very closely.
Renewables is actually cheaper than brown fueled power now, hence why Planet U is growing, hence why these guys were so interested in working with us. We've been able to save them money, save them CO2 and reduce their overhead base. It's brilliant.
Having the solar panels is just a buzz, it's brilliant. And it just makes us feel better about our business, which then in total savings we're looking at around £160,000 to £170,000.
We are so excited to be able to shout about real tangible steps that we're making to become more environmentally friendly.
Working with Planet U has been a great experience so far. The communication's been brilliant. We're at the start of our journey here at Springwell. Our demands are going to increase dramatically over the next few years, and Planet U gives us that one-stop shop that we can go to provide for our energy needs. We feel like we've got a great relationship and can't wait to take that further.